All right, so what I have here is the setup for part 4. We're investigating the specific heat. And so what I did was I heated both the water and the methanol on here until we got 50 degrees C, as you can see. And then as soon as I had both of them at 50, which can be a little tricky to get it right, and if you overshoot, you might have to sit around and wait. Sometimes it might actually be better to just do one beak or one flask at a time and just do the whole experiment twice. But in this case, I managed to get it both to 50, and so as soon as they hit 50, I started my timer. So what I'm going to do now is after 2 minutes, I am going to record both the temperature for my water and my methanol in this table. And then I'm going to wait another 2 minutes, and then I'm going to record water and methanol in this column, and so forth. I'm going to sit and wait, and I'm going to see what happens. Which of these two fluids will cool off the fastest? And then it is up to you to figure out why one of them is cooling off slower than the other, and how that ties into all these intermolecular forces, hydrogen bonds, and the shape of the molecule, and how many atoms, and so forth. All right, so we'll just wait about 30 more seconds, and we're going to get our first reading. 48 degrees C for the water, and 48 degrees C for my methanol. We'll wait another 2 minutes, and we'll come back and take another reading. Okay, 4 minutes. For the water, we're going to write down this number under 4 minutes, and for methanol, you want to write down this number for 4 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes. You want to record this number for water and this number for methanol. Okay, at 8 minutes, record this number for water and this number for methanol. All right, 10 minutes. Here's the water temperature and methanol. Okay, 12 minutes. This number for water and this number for methanol. All right, 14 minutes. Record this for water and this number for methanol. All right, 16 minutes. Record this number for water and this number for methanol. All right, 18 minutes. Record this number for water and this number for methanol. All right, 20 minutes. Over here we have the temperature of the water, and over here we have the temperature of the methanol. "22 minutes. Water and methanol. All right, 24 minutes. Record this number for water and this number for methanol. All right, 26 minutes. Record this number for the water and this number for methanol. "28, and record this number for water. I guess it's indecisive. It's fluctuating between 35 and 36, I guess. All right, and for methanol, you record this. All right, 30 minutes. So our last reading for water will be 35. And we could have stopped for methanol before because the instructions tells you to stop at either 30 degrees C or 30 minutes, whichever comes first. So, we could have that. But since we have it here, let's just record our last reading here for methanol.